With spring approaching and also finally the third lockdown coming to an end in the UK, I'm really looking forward to welcome again new clients for the face-to-face consultations. And one of my most wanted service and also one of my signature service is my color analysis, which also includes a makeup session. Now, lots of people ask me how it works, how it's led, and what includes. So I wanted to give you a bit more information about it and explain you a bit more about how it works. As a first step, we'll identify your season through a color analysis experience. We'll then go through your makeup, where I'll pick some colors that truly work for your skin tone and features. From the best foundation and blush colors to eyeshadow and lipstick. You'll end the session feeling confident and looking stunning. If you'd like to discover what your best colors are and how to make the most of them on a daily basis, get in touch and let's chat. And remember, one of a style because you are one of a kind.